Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing a profitable niche and opening your Amazon Associates account right away. Pick products that match your audience and offer 3% to 10% commissions. Once done, complete tax forms like Form W-9 or W-8BEN and add payment details so you won't delay payouts. Then set up your content platform, blog, YouTube, or niche email so you can publish links. Make sure to install tracking plugins or UTM tags to monitor clicks before you publish anything. You now focus on content that converts. Reviews, comparisons, and best of lists. Aim for 10 to 20 cornerstone pieces to seed traffic. Once done, insert contextual affiliate links and native placements. Always include a transparent disclosure near the link. Make sure to /B test headlines and CTA wording to improve click-throughs. Use tracking, clicks, conversion rate, earnings per click, and top ASIN to know what works, and adjust content or link positions based on performance data. You finish by scaling and optimizing. Reinvest earnings into SEO, paid ads, and email funnels to amplify winners. Once done, update seasonal pages, verify prices, and refine CTAs to keep conversion rates high. Make sure to diversify top ASIN so one product change doesn't wipe revenue. If earnings suddenly drop, audit your affiliate links, check Amazon Associates policy compliance, and verify traffic sources for bot or low-quality traffic. That single audit usually reveals the fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.